A safe, clean and healthy environment is essential to our way of life, but we know the impacts of climate change pose a tremendous threat. And for us in the water industry, we know it's really important that we take action now. So we've teamed up with our delivery partners, John Holland, to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions on our project sites. For example, at the Hobsons Bay Main project, we're building the new sewer crossing under the Yarra River and reducing our carbon emissions as we do so. The solar energy system we've just installed consists of 250 panels and batteries. And that's enough to power our construction site sheds and replaces the large diesel generators that were previously on site. The best thing about the system is that it's completely portable and can be packed up and deployed on future Melbourne water projects. It's really fulfilling to be a part of a project that contributes to a safer, cleaner environment.
But that's not all we're doing. We've recycled over 2,000 tonnes of materials from this project, and we've even got an electric charging station for our vehicles. We recycle everything we can. We even have an edible garden on site, supported by on-site composting. For me, it's really great to see Melbourne Water addressing climate change and to ensure that Melbourne remains a great place to live today, tomorrow, and for generations to come.